Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unblock yourself on WhatsApp without deleting account. In case if somebody blocks you on WhatsApp, soon after that you'll not be able to send or receive messages or an update. So in order to contact that person or in order to unblock yourself on WhatsApp, what you can do is just simply watch the video till the end, and by the end of this video you will learn how to unblock yourself on WhatsApp. Firstly, open up your WhatsApp application. So as you open the WhatsApp application, the interface kind of look like this. So I've asked one of my friends to block me on WhatsApp. Firstly, I'll show an example. So if I send this person message, so he or she will not be able to receive it. So in order to contact this person or in order to unblock yourself, what you can do is you can ask one of your friend or any member that is in contact with this following person to add or create a group. So I'll ask one of my friend to create a group with this particular person on it. Over here you can see that the group has been created and the person that has blocked you on WhatsApp is also currently present. So next what you have to do is simply send or type message on this following group. As you can see, there is a blue tick mark, which means that both of this following person has seen your message. So which means that the person that has blocked you on WhatsApp is also able to see your message. So next what you have to do is you'll have to ask your friend or the admin to simply exit from the group. And over here you can see that the person that has created the group has already been removed. And that is how you can unblock yourself on WhatsApp without deleting your account. In case the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.